I just wanted to preface this video with a little bit of information on Siser EasySubli HTV as a alternative to traditional sublimation. If you're going to print directly onto it, don't mirror your image. You're just going to be taking it apart and put it right on your clothing or whatever you're putting it on anyways. But if you are going to sublimate onto it, like you're going to print out an image and then sublimate that onto the EasySubli, then you're going to want to mirror it. It's unique in the fact that it can go on any color or style of shirt, no matter its makeup, whether it's 100% cotton, 50% polyester, or anything of the sort. With it, you are able to hand cut it with scissors or use the print and cut feature on a sublimation printer, and that will give it a nice outline of exactly what your image is. It also has a mask that is compatible with it. It's the Siser EasySubli mask, and it works really well with it. It's great. It's typically used for when you have a design that has a lot of very small parts. Whenever you pull it apart, it is very helpful in getting everything where it is supposed to be when you put it on your medium, whatever it is. And also, EasySubli has a backing that you take off before you apply it to your shirt or whatever you're putting it on. Thanks for listening and enjoy the video. Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with Minecraft Source, and today we will be learning how to use Siser EasySubli HTV to make a shirt. So what you're going to need is a t-shirt of your choice, a sublimation printer, your Siser EasySubli HTV, and a heat press of your choice. And after that, you'll pretty much do what you want. So yeah. We're going to come over here and open up your printer's print manager. You're going to click Open Local File, choose the image you want. Hit open on there, and take our paper, put it in our sublimation printer to where you are printing on the rough side. For me, that's going to be the rough side down. Put that in there. Cool. For me, I'm gonna have my substrate as polyester, paper as Trubix Classic, solely because we don't have the EasySubli setting on here, and it works just the same. Print quality to high and the source to tray 1. Make sure to go back and check all your settings, make sure that they are working accordingly. So now that we have that done, you can go ahead and click print. When you get done printing directly onto your EasySubli, it's gonna take a very, very, very long time to dry, like upwards of 2 hours. So I already have ours printed. So what we're gonna do is walk our happy selves over here. Now that we're here, what we're gonna want is to have our heat press set to 311 for 15 seconds. That's gonna make sure our EasySubli gets stuck to our shirt nice and well. I'm gonna grab my shirt right here, lay it how I need it to, so I can go ahead and free press it, make sure there's no wrinkles, no moisture left over from anything. Since I'm putting mine on the back, I'm actually going to want to move my shirt up some so that I can get all of my EasySubli on there. You're going to want to put it about 7 fingers down. I'm going to go ahead and pre-press it now. Just 3 seconds, nothing crazy. Beautiful. And now, still waiting on that to get up to temperature, but go ahead and figure out where exactly I want that. I think about right there. Okay, so now that we're up to temperature, we can take our image and peel our backing off to expose the sticky adhesive underneath it. Yep, and then you just lay it straight on there. Then you can put your heat resistant sheet on there and press it down for the full time. Ooh, I like it. Cool, we're done over here. All right, so this right here is our finished product. So it kind of has the feel and thickness of Siser glitter, but it's less gritty than that. And when it comes to this versus regular sublimation, you can definitely feel it on there, whereas with normal sublimation, you can't. It just feels like shirt. So yeah, there's that, and thanks for stopping by. Remember to like and subscribe. If you have any ideas or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Everything used in this video is available at minecraftsource.com, so be sure to check us out. Thank you very much.